Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Miss Dr. R.S. Srikartika MPus and Miss Nadia Fadila SPD MPD as Supervisor Lecturer. Introducing my name is Valia Utami Putri with name 1709621012 from the 2021 Office Administration Education Study Program. Today I will present my seminar proposal with the title Influence of Family Environment and Peers Student Learning Discipline at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Chapter 1 Introduction. Education is one of the cornerstones that is very important for the Indonesian nation. For education, students are educated and learn all kinds of knowledge, skill, and habits that can guide all students in doing various things. Based on Law Number 20 of 2003 concerning the national education system, education is defined as a conscious and planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process. The aim is that students can actively develop their potential, so as have spiritual strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, and noble character. Discipline in learning includes a student ability to obey rules, carry out a study routine, and complete academic assignment on time. In addition, learning discipline is also related to time management, motivation, and students' commitment to the learning process. Over the past few years, the increasing number of juvenile delinquency cases and the decline in student discipline at school and at home have become serious concern for parents, educators, and society. This phenomenon not only impacts student academic performance but also affects their character and moral development. Juvenile delinquent behavior can be triggered by several factors, including inappropriate parenting, an unsupportive school environment, and negative influence from peer groups. In addition, unfavorable social and community conditions also contribute to this problem. In addition, weak self-control and immature age-appropriate emotional development are also important factors that can lead the deviant behavior and decrease learning discipline among students. Education in the family also plays a role in instilling religious beliefs, cultural values, social norms, and outlook on life, skills, and attitude that supportive the life of society, nation, and state. By instilling a sense of discipline in the family environment from an early age, the student will continue to apply this discipline in the learning process. Negative phenomena also arise when students are influenced by peers who engage in defiant behavior, such as skipping school or lack of interest in learning. According to data from the Ministry of Education and Culture, high level of the student absenteeism contributes significantly to declining learning outcomes. In addition, to reducing student understanding of the subject matter. Truancy can also worsen discipline and trigger social problems such as involvement in promiscuity and juvenile delinquency. Therefore, addressing the problem of truancy is a top priority for second and guidance counselor. Okay. To strengthen these two factors, family and family and peer environment factor, the researcher conducted a pre-research by distributing questionnaires through Google Form to 11 respondents at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Based on the questionnaire distribution, data on factors that can affect student discipline in learning were obtained as follows. With the question, in your opinion, what factor can affect student discipline in learning? And based on the data exposure and the phenomenon above, the researcher is instant in knowing how the influence of the family environment and peers on student learning discipline at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Their research formulation with reference to the background presentations that above the following research questions were formulated. One, does the family environment have a positive and significant effect on student learning discipline at SMK Negeri Jakarta? Do peers have a positive and significant effect on student learning discipline at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? And three, do family environment and peers have a positive and significant effect on student learning discipline at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? Next, research objective. By referring to the research questions that have been formulated previously, the objectives of this study are as follows. One, to determine the effect of family environment on student learning discipline at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. To determine the effect of peers on student learning discipline at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. And three, to determine the effect of family environment and peers on student learning discipline at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Conceptual definition, learning discipline. 1. Prija Darminto explains that discipline is a condition formed through a series of behaviors that reveal values such as obedience, compliance, loyalty, order, and discipline. This behavior develops with a coaching process carried out by family education experience. According to Daryanto and Darmiatun, discipline is basically the ability to control oneself in obeying rules, both those set by the individual himself and by external environment such as family education, uh, family educational institutions, society, state, and religion. From the explanation of this expert, it can be concluded that learning discipline is the result of the interaction between internal and external. This discipline not only reflects compliance with regulations, but is also the result of self-awareness and environment. Second, family environment. From the explanation of the expert, it can be concluded that the family environment has a very important role in the education and development of children. This family is not only a place to live, but also an early educational environment that shapes the character, values, and norms that children will bring into their social lives. Third, peers. From the explanation of these experts, it can be conclude that the peer environment plays an important role in the development of children and adults. Peers, peers are not only a source of social interaction, but also influence the formation of personality and behavior. Peer influence is often stronger than that of parents and teachers, especially when advice from both parties differs. Next, relevant research. The following are some of the results of previous studies that have been researched by previous research. From Afrida Nishapri and Nastiti 2020, the effect of family environment and school environment on student discipline. From the result of the study found that the family environment has a significant effect on student discipline. And second, Norma Puspitasari and Ranggani 2018. The relationship between parenting and peers on the learning discipline of the third grade students. The contribution of parenting patterns and peers to student learning discipline is 51.2%. Next, based on the conceptual description and theoretical framework that forms the basis for this research, the following research hypothesis can be formulated. H1, family environment, X1, has a positive and significant effect on learning discipline. Y at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. H2, peers X2 have a positive and significant effect on learning discipline Y at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. And H3, family environment X1 and peers X2 have a positive and significant effect on learning discipline Y at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Chapter 3, Research and Methods. This research was conducted starting from January 2025. The fields were conducted research and collect data at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta Utara. Research design. In this study, research used a quantitative approach using survey method data collection techniques. The purpose of this approach is to identify the relationship between variable and generalize the findings to a wider population. Next, population and sample population. The population in the study were all students in the office management expenses program at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta, totaling 139 students. Sample to determine the size of the sample to be selected. This research used the help of a formula developed from Taro Yamame by using the probability technique, namely proportional random sampling as a sampling technique. Next, data collection techniques. In this study, the data used is primary research use data collection technique by distributing questionnaire to the respondent, which were collected directly through the prompt. This research instrument is a statement prepared in writing with the aim of obtaining data in the form of response from respondents regarding the influence variable under study. Next, data analysis technique. In this study, research used multiple regression analysis as a method to analyze the data. In data processing, research will use the help of software, EBM, SPSS, Statistic 2020, which applies the partial least square path modeling method to model variance-based structural equation. That's all the presentation from me, more or less. I'm apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.